Okay. Tip number two is like, this is a really good stuff as well. If you have a trust and the trust earning the trust income, and then you have for example, maybe you only have husband and wife, it's only two beneficiary. Let's say the trust income is earning 250,000, right? Profit. Then if you're going to distribute that all to just husband and wife, let's say the 250,000, if I divide it by two, which is 125,000 each, then the tax that we work it out, the total tax that you have to pay is 70,698. The tax percentage that you're paying is 28.28. It's still quite high, but there's a way to reduce this is by, if you having a bucket company, and basically a bucket company is just a bucket company that acting like a beneficiary of your trust. So if you have a bucket company, then you can distribute the income to your bucket company. What I suggest that if you know that this year, if you've been trading under a trust and your trust been doing well, very well, and you're making a lot of trust profit, and you don't have many beneficiaries that you can distribute the income to, then I really highly recommend that you should set up this bucket company. At least if the trust distribute the income to the bucket company, not only that it's limit the tax rate to 30%, but also after the company pays the tax, it's also got the franking credit. And the franking credit can accumulate it sitting inside bucket company. Then you don't need to distribute the dividend out yet. You can wait till, maybe one day your income gets lower, then you can start to distribute that out as a dividend. And then if you can keep your tax rate below 30%, then you can get that franking credit back. So it's a very smart strategies to save your tax. That's why I'll give an example here. Like, let's say if we distribute 90,000 to beneficiary one, 90,000 to beneficiary two, and then we'll give the rest to the bucket company, 70,000. Then if you're working out the tax, the total tax they have to pay is only 61,874. You look at it, your tax saving here of 8,824. Just by doing this one strategy is already save you a lot of tax. And also, when you pay the tax under the company, you're not wasting the tax, because this money, the 21,000, is become your franking credit. It's a very good strategy that if you have a trust, that's very important thing that you should review your situations and do it before 30th of June. Is one, you have to get the trust distribution resolution signed. Secondly, if you're really making a lot of money, then set up this bucket company. It's another option, because then that will save you a lot of tax. I suggest, because again, everyone is different, and what I'm sharing with you here is more like a general advice, and you need to look at your circumstances. So if you would like us to help you, you just have to contact us, make appointment to talk to us, and we can review and we can do a tax planning for you, just to make sure that you don't have to pay more tax than you have to. Because if you're going to wait till after 30th of June, then it's going to be too late. It's very important that we only have few days left. You still have time, but you have to act quick. It's up to you to take action. If you want to pay less tax, if you want to save more money, if you want to have more money in your bank account, then you better take action, because otherwise after 30th of June, it's too late. Okay.